Cobots on the rise, the future of work by 2030. The collaborative robot or cobot market is set for major growth. According to ABI Research, revenue is projected to climb from $970 million in 2023 to $7.2 billion by 2030, with a 28% annual growth rate. While growth stalled in 2023 and 2024, experts say things are about to accelerate. Lower cost, improved safety and easy access will drive adoption, making cobots a practical choice for businesses of all sizes. AI is also playing a key role helping cobots take on tasks that were previously exclusive to human workers. By 2030, North America is expected to ship 64,000 cobots per year, while China will lead with 130,000 annual shipments. The automotive industry is set to be a major driver, with cobots use increased nearly tenfold in 7 years. And with 3D cameras integrated into nearly 60% of deployments, cobots will gain better spatial awareness, making them even more capable in industries like manufacturing, logistics and healthcare. Meanwhile, companies like NVIDIA are bringing AI-powered robotic solutions to the market, further expanding cobot capabilities. With these advancements, collaborative robots are poised to transform workplaces worldwide, enhancing productivity, improving efficiency and making automation more accessible than ever. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.